Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Bilirishi FS Academy. So today I want to grow this $200. So I have a buy set up. So we have to make this entry first. Then I'll explain to you guys why. Because I don't want the price to leave my entry. So I've entered some position. Let me show you the entry here on my trading view. So looking at XAUUSD on the 5 minutes time frame, we can clearly see that the market is going up and my indicator is printing buys. Okay, so and every buy it's a profit. Every buy the indicator have printed it's a profit. Okay, so and we have this new one now, which is the reason why we just entered the trade. Okay, so this is the Bilirishi flip indicator. Okay, so it just give us this buy down. So let's lock in on the buy and expect it to go to this highest high here. So this is my trade running in little profit right now. So we just made our entry. Let's stack in more buys. Let's stack in more buys and expect the market to go up. So this the indicator which I'm using is strictly for flipping accounts. Okay, so we are up over $500. Look at immediately, this indicator gives sniper entry signals only. So I've closed the trade. We are up 580.8. Look at the trade, it just went up straight. So look at our trade. So we remember when it's printed the buy and we entered. So look at it. So the indicator just printed another buy signal. So we are entering our buys right now. I'll go back there and show you guys the reason for this buy trade. Okay, so when we were closing, another buy was forming. So look at the buy. It's printed another buy here that we need to enter more buy, meaning the market will still push up. Sometimes you can just decide to hold the previous one and just add more, but I didn't see the buy signal early, so I had to close that one and then enter a fresh one. Okay, so this is a fresh buy and we expect it to push to the upside. So look at, we are in a drawdown, serious drawdown, but it is going up. This is a flipping indicator, so full margin, we are going full margin. So it's back to our entry, up $15. Let's see how it moves. And we're in a drawdown again. Boom, guys, we are up over $1,000 in profit right now. Over 1k, over $1,600 right now running. So I've closed my positions now. Let me show you guys how the trade played out. So look at, it was straight to TP. Look at, so immediately it printed the buy. Look at, it just went up. As you can see, it just went up. We stacked in our buy and look at us, up in massive profit, and the market is still going up. So 2141.66 right now. So let's take more trades and try to push the account more. Let's do more numbers. So I have a new setup on the 5 minute time frame again. So it is a sell setup. So let's enter the sell fast. So look at the sell signal. As you can see, it's printed a sell. Okay, so that arrow above that candlestick, that is the signal. It's printed a sell after the close of the candle, and then we entered the sell immediately. In fact, a minute to, it was already forming, and a minute to I started adding, and then after the closure it is dropping. Let's add more. Okay, so this is a flipping indicator, so meaning we shouldn't be expecting drawdowns. So you enter, you just expect to go straight to TP. Okay, so straight to the direction. So look at, we're we are in a little drawdown. Boom, guys, we are up. We are up. We are up. The market is dropping. It is dropping. It is dropping. We are up about $2,000 right now. So like, this is flipping and this is full margin. So like, you have to be very fast. So we have to be very fast. Back at our entry again. Okay, so the market is dropping. Is dropping. But one thing we don't expect is a drawdown. We don't expect a drawdown. We just expect the market to drop. So I've closed the trade 5,037.47. Okay. So one thing about flipping is that you have to be very fast. That's why I was waiting and then immediately closed it. So this is the trade. This is the sell from my indicator, and then we can see the drop clearly. We can see the drop. And we can see there is no drawdown. The candle doesn't even have a wick. There is no wick. If there is no wick, it means there is no drawdown. So it means straight to profit. So and it's still even dropping. It's still dropping. Another one just formed. Another new candle. Another 5 minutes opened, and it's dropping. So no wick, no drawdown. So we have a new setup, a new buy setup. Let's stack in the buys, and then I will take you guys to my trading view and explain the setup for you. But for now, let's lock in with buys. So this is the setup. So this is the setup on my trading view. We can see the buy clearly, right? We can see the buy. So the close of that candle that it's printed by, that is the entry. So we expect it. We don't expect a drawdown, and we expect it to go up. Okay, and this, even if it is a risk to reward one-to-one that you can see on trading view here, is enough for you to flip your account if you really know how to leverage. Okay, so as it's dropping, we're supposed to go and add more positions now. But so let's let's add more. Yeah, let's add more. W's, guys, we are up 8,000 equity right now. So look at, immediately we entered, the market just went straight up, no pullback. No pullback, just going, just going. Look at this chart, just going. Okay, and our account is almost doubled right now. So I didn't over leverage on this setup. So our account is almost double, and it's one-to-one, almost one-to-one right now. So as you can see, it is going, it is going, it is going. So let's close the positions. So I've closed the positions now. 8858.88 from 200. We are here. So whenever the indicator print buy, it is a straight buy, straight into profits. And if it prints sell, it is straight into profits too. So that is how this indicator works. And plus, I knew how to leverage before I started using this my indicator, which I created by myself. So I will still look for one more setup. So look at, so the reason why I closed this trade is because it is close to this high already. So I've almost achieved what I want. So let me just, that's why I just decided to close this trade. Okay, so let's look another setup now and still grow this account more. So I have a new setup, a new sell setup. Let's stack in cells, and then I will show you guys how far. So let's stack a lot of cells, and then let me show you. So look at the, so this is the setup, this is the sell setup. You can see clearly on a downtrend right now, and the indicator just printed is sell. Okay, so and then the market is making a little pullback right now. So whenever this happens, it even gives us a better entry. Okay, so and then we can do SL here. So in case it will go there, we are closing the trades. So then we expect the market to drop, but in case it goes up, we are closing the trade. Okay, so let's see what the market gives us. So this is a very clear setup right here, a very nice setup right here. So this is the setup. Let's see how it plays out. So we are in a serious drawdown right now. So let's see how this goes. The market is still going against us. Is this going to be an SL? Is Billy going to hit an SL? Let's watch out and see what's going on. So it is coming down. It's coming down. So the market is just moving around our entry, just moving around and going into drawdown. We are down minus 3k again. So is this going to be a profit or is it going to be a loss? This is complicated. So the market is moving around our entry right now. Let's see how it goes. We are up over $5,000 profits, and our equity is running about 14k, 15k right now. So it is going, it is dropping, but I expect this market to even drop more because we have waited for so long for this market to drop. So it is dropping massively right now. So one thing about gold is whenever it consolidates, when it is going up or down, it usually goes up very well. So it is dropping, dropping, dropping. 22k, 22k, 20k is my target, and I'm up 23k right now. So I think I should just close it. I should just close it. Let me close it. So I've closed the trade 22,403.32. So this is the power of my indicator. 200 to 22k. So it is still dropping. We are supposed to be up over 25k right now. So look at the trade. So the moment our entry is the last moment of the market. So the market just started dropping, like it started dropping like crazy. So we can see it on our chart. And another setup is even forming. Another setup is forming, but my target for this account is already 200. So I don't want to take more trade again. I just want to go and place a withdrawal right now. Okay, so I think I should just go place withdrawal.